So I've been editing for less than a year, but I have learned a lot. And also many of you actually appreciate my editing skills. So maybe it's time to share with you my simple tips to improve your videos and to make them look more cinematic. And as I said, I've been editing for not so long time, so I'm not some kind of an expert. And those are really simple tips, and I will show you how to do it in Premiere Pro. So Blackburst will help you create more of a cinematic feeling and will make your videos look more like a film. So what you need to do is to create a new adjustment layer. And OK. And also you can rename it. So let's say that we can call it Black Bars. And also another good tip is to create a few bins so you can have for your A-rolls, for your B-rolls, for your effect. So you can keep your footage and your videos in the same place. So let's say that you have a few of A-rolls. So what you want to do is to create a new bin, B-rolls. This will help you a lot with your editing process. Drag this layer above your footage. So the next step is to search for a crop and drag this to the layer. Then to the left you're going to find the crop. So let's say 10%. And even right now, it actually makes the footage looks more cinematic. And also you can use crop effect vertically so you can get another type of cinematic look. So let's say that we bring everything back to 0 and then use left and right side. So let's say that we can put in on 15 and 15% on the other side. So this gives you another type of cinematic look. The crop effect is a really simple tip, and I'm sure that is going to improve your videos to look more cinematic or look more like a film. So the vignette effect is something that I recently started to use more. We can describe it as a shadow in the corners around the video or picture. It helps you to put more focus on the subject. So let me show you how to do it. You can use the same adjustment layer or you can create a new one. So just for this one I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to put them in the effect, make the same color and rename to vignette. Put it above this, and in this one you're going to use geometry color, and here you can find the vignette. So let's bring amount to -3 and feather to 0, and so this will actually help you to see the whole effect before fixing it. This dirty window is so f***ing annoying. So now we can play with the whole midpoint. So I don't want to exaggerate the whole effect, so the footage is not going to be too dark. But let's say we can bring this to maybe 27. Now we can fix the roughness. So after that I'm going to fix the feather to 100%. So the vignette effect is really good effect. Actually makes the whole footage look more cinematic. It helps you to put more focus on subject, but of course you don't have to use it on every single footage. So if you know me and you have been following my channel, you know that I love to use B-rolls in my videos. A B-roll is the extra footage in video or film. You have like an A-roll, which is for example a talking sequence like this one. And then you can put a B-roll for a better storytelling. Sometimes words are not enough to express your story. So this is where a B-roll can help you a lot. But let me show you what I mean. And in this one I'm going to use another footage. So let's fix everything and fix every effect I want to use. And put maybe some cinematic music. And let's say that we talk about, I don't know, motivation. Finding motivation is not the easy task. The failure is a part of the journey. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Trust in your potential and never underestimate the power of your dreams. Believe in yourself, because if you don't, who will? You have a unique perspective that deserves to be seen. Your perspective matters. Let your creativity shine to achieve your goals. Stay creative, stay motivated.
always.
So this is why I think that B-rolls are really important to lift your videos and to give a better storytelling. B-rolls are also really good to use in tech videos. Sometimes you can also make a whole video with just B-rolls if you are doing, for example, a short film. And so the third tip from me, use more B-rolls. So those are my 3 simple tips to lift your videos and make them look more cinematic. And again, I'm not some type of an expert, but I find it fun to be able to share some tips with you. So if you want to see more of this type of video, it can be more of tips or even some filming tips. Just let me know. As always, consider to subscribe for next videos. It was good to talk to you, and to the next time, bye!